In primetime news this evening, tit-for-tat developing over travel advisory issued by the U.S. government.
Integrity Commission calls for probe into missing vehicles.
And coroner's hearing into death of controversial pastor Kevin Smith on the way. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, of course, we'll have those gas prices and some good news for motorists. I'll have the details a little later on, and some investments for Manchester, as well as some funding going to the JPS. Lots in the business day for a little later on.
Okay, and Jeremy Brown is also here. He's here to give us a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, as you know, regional cricket has made a return to Jamaica, but it has not been the best opening day for the Jamaica Scorpions. We'll tell you about that and more a bit later on.
And I just loved the weather today. Remain when we're going to continuing this cool breeze.
Much of the cool air is expected to remain across the area for the next day or so, but we are expecting some warming on the weekend. We're expecting an increase in clouds as well this weekend.
Okay, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what more can be done to minimize incidents of severe flooding in Montego Bay, St. James.
You can share your comments online. That's facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.